Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. As I discussed in the past in last 2 or 3 days that RBI circulars are very important for your exam for the Bank of Maharashtra Generalist Officer exam. Today I'm going to provide 5 important questions from the RBI circulars from the month of January 2022. Jan last month के जो important questions हैं I'm going to provide that. I have already done my analysis on RBI circulars for the month of January 2022. If you have already joined the course, just go to the dashboard and there you can go through the complete analysis. वहाँ पे आप पूरा analysis पढ़ सकते हो. Let's just start the session. RBI circulars are the most important part of your syllabus for this particular exams. As per my experience, पिछले 2 सालों से बहुत ज़्यादा questions आ रहे हैं RBI circular से. That is why we are focusing on it. So there is a latest circular by RBI. जब आप ऑनलाइन जब आप एक मर्चेंट के पास पे करने जाते हो राइट यू गो बाय अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर और बाइंग अ बर्गर और समथिंग राइट यू ट्राइंग टू पे अ बार्बर राइट 100 रुपये 150 रुपये पे करना चाहते हो आप राइट बट इंटरनेट डजंट वर्क और you do not get the OTPs or there are issues right, internet is not working many times or many times you're not getting OTPs or something that happens right. To solve that issue RBI ने ये pilot project किया था offline digital payment. Although your internet is not working, what you can do is you can load money in your wallet, in your mobile device or in your wallet, right? And then spend that money. There is a transaction limit. What is that transaction limit? That limit is 200 rupee per transaction. एक transaction का limit है 200 rupees. What is the per transaction limit? 200 rupees. What you do is you need to load money into that instrument and that limit is 2000 rupee. 2000 रुपये आपने लोड किए and then you spend that money. पर ट्रांजेक्शन लिमिट इज 200 रुपी. आप 200 रुपये खर्च रहे हो, कभी 100 खर्च रहे हो, कभी 50 खर्च रहे हो, एंड व्हेन दैट टोटल कम्स टू 2000 रुपी you need to go back online, you need to go online and then you need to fill in that wallet again or whatever the device that you are using. आपने 2000 रुपये खर्च कर लिए, then you need to go online and then इस wallet को fill कीजिए, then spend again, safeguard करने के लिए depositors को. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन वही है. Please read the questions again. Upper limit of an offline digital payment transaction, that is 200 rupee. Total limit is 2000 rupee. Total limit of offline digital payment transactions, that is 2000 rupee. एक transaction 200, total limit is 2000. आप अपना wallet fill करोगे, right? Wallet या whatever device that you are using, right? Replenishment कहते हैं उसे. Then you need to do it, and that can be done in online mode, and then additional factor of authentication. You'll get the OTP and all that procedures. आप उसको दोबारा refill कर सकते हो. 2000 की लिमिट है, वहाँ पे OTP भरना पड़ेगा राइट. 2000 का आपने अपना वॉलेट भर लिया, देन स्पेंड इट. फॉर ईच ट्रांजेक्शन 200 रुपये का लिमिट है. ओके, दिस इज द मेन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द सर्कुलर. यही मेन है. बाकी RBI की गाइडलाइंस माननी पड़ेंगी और बैंकिंग वुमेन स्पेंड स्कीम यहाँ पे लागू होगी. दीज आर द रूल्स. ठीक है, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 3 actually. Which of the following has been recently included in second schedule of RBI Reserve Bank of India Act 1934? Recently Airtel Payment Bank Limited को अभी license मिला है to conduct the banking business in India recently. Last month I guess Paytm को मिला था. So please remember that it is actually important for your exam. And next question, as per the latest RBI circular, all commercial banks other than RRBs and local area and payment banks will be required to maintain LCR. What is LCR? I'll explain that in next slide. Let me do that. Let's go forward. पहले LCR समझा देता हूँ. What is LCR? The full form of LCR is liquidity coverage ratio. Whatever you are studying, आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, you should know the meaning of that, because at the time of interview, the interviewer are going to ask the basic questions. These are the basic questions. What is an LCR? Instead of going into the rules and regulation, they are going to ask you what is an LCR, or what is an SLR ratio, what is a CRR ratio? Please explain. So LCR is liquidity coverage ratio. So basically stock of high quality liquid assets, this is a simple formula, divided by total net cash outflow over the next 30 calendar days. अगले 30 दिन में आपका जितना भी कैश का आउटफ्लो होगा माइनस कैश का इनफ्लो होगा, ओके, दैट इज नेट कैश आउटफ्लोज. पैसा बाहर जा रहा है नेट, और जो आपके पास आ रहा है नेक्स्ट 30 डेज में वॉट एवर इज योर नेट कैश आउटफ्लो दैट इज डिवाइडेड, ओके. सो हाई क्वालिटी कैश, हाई क्वालिटी लिक्विड एसेट्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नेट कैश आउटफ्लो, that is the multiplied by 100, that's how you get the LCR ratio, okay. That is the LCR ratio. And if a commercial bank other than regional rural bank, local area bank and payment bank has received a deposit of 7.5 crore or above from non-financial small business customers, they need to maintain the LCR. पहले ये लिमिट होती थी 5 करोड़, अब हो गई है 7.5 करोड़, ओके. लिमिट हैज़ बीन चेंज. दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो अगर आपने RBI के सर्कुलर्स अगर नहीं पढ़े हैं, ये वाला नहीं पढ़ा या पहले कोई नहीं पढ़ा, तो ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली आपके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता, राइट. बट एज दिस थिंग इज इन द न्यूज़ इन दैट RBI's वेबसाइट, इसको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. ये समझ के चलिए, ठीक है. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. LCR का फुल फॉर्म और इसका मीनिंग समझ के चलिए, ठीक है. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. If there is any doubt, you can always ask your questions in that in the YouTube comment section, in the super chat, or you can just WhatsApp me. I'm not going to answer your doubts, okay. Let's move forward. My goal is to what's my goal of this class? My goal is to within 10 minutes you should take away at least 2 or 3 concepts. 10 मिनट में 2 या 3 concepts. That is my goal, and important concepts, okay. As per the latest RBI guidelines, what is the minimum net owned worth requirement, NOF requirement, for a company seeking registration as NBFC factor? अगर आप NBFC factor का registration करवाना चाहते हो, as an if you want to do this business and you are seeking the registration, आप रजिस्टर करना चाहते हो RBI के साथ ये बिजनेस कंडक्ट करने के लिए, what is the net owned fund requirement? Requirement कितनी है? Just a second. Sorry for that. What is the net worth requirement? Net owned fund requirement. Requirement कितना है? The requirement is 5 crore rupees only. So if you have the net owned fund of 5 crore, you can this is the requirement for the registration, right? Every company seeking registration as NBFC factor shall have a minimum net owned fund of 5 crore or as specified by Reserve Bank of India from time to time. Students, every month you are going to get like 7 to 10 circulars, right? In one circular, there would be at max 1 or 2 questions. एक या 2 questions ही होते हैं, that's all. That's all. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होते. कईयों में तो कई circulars तो important होते भी नहीं हैं. That is what you are supposed to know. इतना ही आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए. अगर 1 साल का कर लेंगे तो 200 क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं ऐसे, एंड दैट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट. आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये क्वेश्चंस और एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ोगे तो दैट इज़ ऑब्वियसली डीप, आपको अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी. एंड दैट्स ऑल यू नीड टू नो फॉर दिस एग्जाम, फॉर बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र जर्नलिस्ट ऑफिसर एग्जाम और IBPS RRB स्केल 2 स्केल 3 एग्जाम. अगर आपको इतना पता है तो मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी है. इससे आगे जाने की मुझे लगता नहीं है आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी RRB सर्कुलर्स के लिए. इवन फॉर द बैंकिंग लॉज जो मैं फ्यूचर में करूँगा, नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, RBI एक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन, सरफासी एक्ट, दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लॉज जो कि मैं करूँगा अपने कोर्स में भी. एंड देन इवन बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस, कल का सेशन बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस पे रखेंगे, परसों का नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे रखेंगे, ठीक है. Subscribe this channel, and we have the proper course on Bank of Maharashtra Journalist Officer Scale 2 and Scale 3, in which we are providing the video classes, the notes, the test series, proper quizzes are there. You can access your classes at any point of time. आप कभी भी जो है classes देख सकते हो. You can download the notes, you can take the printouts, you can do the quizzes. We are working on proper test series. So this is a full-fledged course, and we did this course for 2020 and 2021. In 2021, we got 5 final selections. There were not many vacancies last time, but still we got 5 final selections. Few students were there, but still, even in this course, I'm not expecting a large number of students as we get in RRB scale 2, but still, um, our goal is to get maximum number of selections, at least more than 5, because that's the goal of every human being, progression. Progress करना हर ह्यूमन बीइंग का एक नीड है. 5 सिलेक्शन हुई है हमारी इस बार. मैं 5 से ज़्यादा चाहता हूँ. दिस इज़ माई गोल एज ऑफ द मोमेंट. एंड फॉर RRB scale 2 and scale 3, last year all these students that took our courses, and even in lockdown, during the period of lockdown, all these students, they got the final selections, and I'm actually very happy for all of them. In the scale 2 and 3 2019, all the students that took our courses and they cracked their respective exams, I'm really happy for them. Vijaya Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda Wealth Management, all these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams. And if there is any other doubt, post your doubts in the comment section and I'm gonna answer your doubts, okay? And that's actually all for today, students. I hope you liked my session. Subscribe the channel. The link to subscribe the channel is available in the description. You can just click the subscribe button, or you can also share this video with your friends. That would help you for sure. And if somebody is asking me SO का result कब तक आएगा, मैंने तो paper check नहीं करने. I'm not an authority, right? I'm not the authority to release the results. एंड इफ़ अ टीचर इज़ टेलिंग यू आई नो द रिजल्ट डेट्स, और कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि उसे पता है कि रिजल्ट कब आएगा, उसे नहीं पता है और मुझे भी नहीं पता है एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज़ वी कैन टेल यू कि इतना का कट ऑफ जाएगा एज पर आर एक्सपीरियंसेस, इतना का पेपर डिफिकल्ट आया है, इतने नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है, इतना का जाना चाहिए. बट वो रिजल्ट कब आएगा, इंटरव्यू कब होगी या फाइनल पोस्टिंग कब होगी, ट्रस्ट मी वी हैव नो आइडिया, राइट? इट शुड बी in the month of February only, इसी month में होना चाहिए most probably, and interview should be conducted in the middle of March, but due to elections उसके कारण भी काफ़ी कुछ delay हो रहा है because people are busy, right? Every I mean in the states of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, everybody is busy, but still I guess in the month of February results जो है आ जाएंगे आपके, don't worry. Anyways, students, a link to join the Bank of Maharashtra Generalist Officer course, it's available in the description. Just go to the description. You'll find the link and you can join the course there itself. And if there is any doubt in your mind, you can ask your doubts. The WhatsApp number is 906720100. This is my personal WhatsApp number where you can ask your doubts and we are going to answer your doubts. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day.